This video will show you how to service all models of Korky Fill Valves. Before beginning, verify that the water supply is turned to a fully open position and the supply line is free of kinks. Turn the water supply off and flush and hold the toilet handle to drain the tank of water. Next, remove the refill tube from the flush valve. Then remove the fill valve cover by pulling up under the tab located on the side of the cover. Remove the fill valve float by gently pinching the float arms together. Locate the red rubber pilot seat on the underside of the float and ensure the pilot seat is flush with the surface. It is normal to see a dimple in the center of the pilot seat. Hold the fill valve body in place and twist the cap counterclockwise 1/8 turn to remove it. If the cap will not loosen by hand, place a tool between the grooves of the cap while holding the valve body and gently twist counterclockwise to loosen the cap. Run the cap under warm water and gently rub the red diaphragm to remove any buildup. Remove the supply tube from the fill valve. Now hold a white strainer out from the bottom of the supply tube. Rinse the strainer and supply tube under warm water to remove any sediment. Insert the strainer back into the supply tube and insert the supply tube back into the fill valve body. Twist the cap assembly clockwise to lock it back onto the fill valve. To reattach the float, pinch the arms in and clip them back into the cap. Tap the top of the float arms to ensure the float moves freely and securely. Snap the cover back into place. Make sure the fill valve is locked in place by turning it clockwise. Reattach the refill tube and pinch the refill tube and cover together to ensure the cap is completely tightened. Turn the water supply back on to test the water flow. Congratulations! You've successfully serviced your Korky Fill Valve.